I'm gonna like you anyway. Yeah, like you.
Welcome back to Gimme Chocolate, this incredible show with
Zeba Kohli.
Thank
I'm
you.
here with the gorgeous Manasi Scott.
And this is the inimitable Chandler.
You're competing with each other, Manasi and Ash.
Yes.
It's a very serious competition. You know what you're going to make in the kitchen today?
Well,
It's called vegan Cuppa chocolate. Vegan because I know Ash Chandler's vegan.
Yes.
And Manasi, I know you're vegetarian.
yes.
Shall we take a look at the recipe?
Yes.
Let's do that. To make vegan Cuppa chocolate, we need ingredients for vegan cookie: all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, castor sugar, almond milk, salt. Ingredients for dark chocolate custard: melted dark chocolate, zest of orange, almond milk, vanilla bean, honey. Ingredients for plating: crushed vegan cookie, fresh strawberries, chopped pistachios, fresh raspberries, fresh blueberries, whipped cream. Let's start. Flour, vegetable oil, almond milk, sugar, salt. Dust the surface with flour. I'm going to bake the vegan cookie at 180 degrees for 14 minutes. Almond milk, zest of orange, honey, vanilla bean. The almond milk has started heating up. "14 minutes are up. Let's go get the cookie." I had made a vegan cookie earlier and I crushed it because I want to add the crushed vegan cookie at the bottom of this glass. Let's set it in the fridge for 20 minutes. 20 minutes are up. Let's go get our vegan Cuppa chocolate. So Ash is going to get melted chocolate. Manasi, you're going to have to melt your chocolate. You have 1 hour on the clock and your time starts now.
That is almond milk.
Yep, that's
We got a
almond
little
milk.
sugar. By the way, you heard of a pinch of salt? This is a punch of sugar. See, it's a punch. It's a punch of sugar.
Your mom's going to be thrilled
Yeah,
to see you.
I'm more of a make ramen from scratch and, pasta at home, but...
You
and-
really do that?
And rajma and everything, yeah, but I'm not very good with baking. I'm not a baking person.
Ash is totally into it.
And that's my friend right there. I don't know if you met him.
What are you making, a lacha paratha, Ash?
This is a multi-layered cookie.
This is absolutely an incredibly new insight on a cookie.
That's right.
We have to keep it thick, right? You got a cookie. My cookies are thick. You do your thing, okay?
All right, fine. Sometimes people can make cookies with recipes, but like my mother used to do, I make cookies with love.
I make cookies with my heart.
We're going to bake the cookie for just 14 minutes.
Got it.
In the oven, which has been preheated for you. And it's 180 degrees Celsius. You just have to make a delicious dark orange chocolate custard.
Yes,
And
looking
we're
forward to
gonna
it.
start right now.
Start right now,
Yes.
okay.
Almond milk for vegans.
That's right. An almond feels no pain when you milk it. I don't know if you noticed, but my chocolate's already melted because...
And you know why, right?
Yeah, because
you
I
ate
want
a
the
lot
previous...
more cookie.
That's right.
And Manasi was not telling us all the secrets.
It's not true.
This
is one of my fantasies. This chocolatier teaching me how to make chocolate.
It's been 14 minutes. Let's get the cookie because we need the cookie to cool and quickly start plating it in this beautiful transparent glass.
That cookie, if you could see, that's what cookies are meant to look like. Hashtag man bake.
His cookies crumbled.
Let's go put it in the fridge for 20 minutes. We have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and hands off. Ash and Manasi, your glasses look absolutely loaded and delicious.
Thank you.
I even love the way the cookie is crisp and it's a really beautiful burnt shade of caramel. You know, like a lovely cookie. And the green pistachio, and you've just kind of placed the berries like a garden. I loved it.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Now, I want to tell you, Manasi, this is more than all right. Because your cookie was amazing and the custard, look at it.
Yum,
It's
look at
smooth
that
as silk. So, Manasi and Ash, I have loved both your Cuppa chocolates.
Thank you.
Manasi, your presentation was perfect. You followed every single rule and your custard was amazing. You have won this round. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you
to
so much.
too. We're going to go to the Choco Den where you're going to leave your memory and a handprint behind for me.
I'm gonna like you anyway. Yeah, like you.